Direction to use Durox LR3 Ultra Pure Hydrogen Peroxide 3%. Durox LR3 is developed from advanced technology to protect you against the spread of COVID-19. Durox LR3 is FDA approved surface sanitizer which disinfects a wide spectrum of microorganisms, bacteria and viruses. Durox LR3 is an environment-friendly, water and oxygen alcohol-free disinfectant. The solution is neutral to all surfaces and it will not cause corrosion or dullness. Ultra Pure Hydrogen Peroxide, Durox LR3, is a unique formulation that has the perfect balance between speed of germicidal efficacy, cleaning efficacy, safety for users, occupants and environmental profile with 1 year stability. We use ultra pure food grade hydrogen peroxide for manufacturing as we care for you and your well-being. Disinfecting hard surfaces. You can use Durox LR3 to directly spray on the surface and wipe with a clean wet cloth. The solution is neutral to most hard surfaces and it will not cause corrosion or dullness. Caution: do not use on brass and copper. Clean your fruits and vegetables. Durox LR3 is the only food-grade disinfectant which allows you to wash fruits and vegetables before storing or consuming. It is a significantly safe solution to clean bacteria and pesticides, virus and dirt from fruits and vegetables. You can even use it to disinfect utensils, cutlery and dining areas to remove contamination, and it is harmless. Just mix 1 cup of Durox LR3 in a bucket of 5 liters water. Soak them for 5 minutes before rinsing with fresh water. Note: it is not suitable for porous, pre-cut and rotten fruits and vegetables. This also keeps fruits and vegetables fresh. Durox LR3 can extend the life of your fresh vegetables and fruits. Cleaning the fridge. You can use Durox LR3 to get rid of the unpleasant odors while disinfecting the surfaces. Wipe down the shelves and the insides of the fridge with peroxide to get rid of ugly food stains, kill germs, and neutralize many of the odors. You may dilute the solution in a little water, 1:1, 1 portion DLR3 and 1 portion of water. Then soak the cloth and wipe the fridge from inside. Clean your children's toys. Children in particular, infants and toddlers, tend to stick everything in their mouth, leaving them crawling with germs and bacteria. As a result, your child can end up to becoming sick. To disinfect their toys, you may dilute the solution in a little water, 1:1, 1 portion DLR3 and 3 portions of water. Occasionally wipe them down with Durox LR3. Be sure to get the toy box and play areas as well. It is a much safer, cleaner option than many of the commercial cleaners. Sanitize your reusable bags. If you use reusable shopping bags for your grocery, which is an excellent way to eliminate waste and protect the environment, but these bags need to be disinfected from time to time. To properly clean your reusable bags, turn the bags inside out and spray the fabric with Durox LR3. Not only will this disinfect the bag, but it will also help to eliminate any lingering odors from the food. Durox LR3 is a multi-use product and can be benefited in any household or commercial spaces in many ways. For more information and other uses, please log on to our website www.duroxlr3.com.